the winter is coming, and actually tomorrow is gonna be a little bit less than 30, so it's not a good idea to leave this hose is connected to the silcock in here, even though when you close this thing, it's actually not closing water right here. Otherwise you will have water right there that could freeze at any moment. It's literally closing a valve that is like 6 or 8 inches depending on the width of your wall. It's closing it inside of your house. So when you actually remove this, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. This is what's going to take me a little bit fair forward, but you have to remove this hose, so you let air to go through. You close it, so it's 8 inches inside with the valve closed. That's why it has this orientation. It doesn't have a vertical orientation, it's horizontal. And when you remove this, air will go through, water, the remaining of the water in those 6-7 inches or 8 inches will come out, and air will go through, and air won't freeze that easily. And then after I remove that hose, I will put something like this on top of it, like that, to protect it against any freezing, extra freezing or snow, and it's even more protection. So you ensure that none of this portion, nothing will freeze and it will burst any pipes inside of your house, which please don't ask me how I know, because it already happened to me, and it wasn't fun to find a waterfall inside of your house and the basement. See, if we remove this hose, you have all that water, and here I have to remove this adapter as well. All that would have frozen a few inches from the wall, which is still gets frozen or freeze the water. And now I'm gonna put this on top here by using this thing and grabbing it from underneath here and pulling. I'm doing it with one hand. It's kind of hard. And then I'm gonna pull from that thing. So I pulled from this one all the way in, and I put it underneath that, so it's fully protected. Now it will create like a chamber of air, a little bit warmer than the outside, and nothing will happen. I'm gonna go through the whole winter in peace, and I'm gonna be able to sleep. And you can buy these ones from Lowe's or Home Depot. They're super easy, and they're selling it now. Just share with me if you have any comments about some crazy stuff that happened to you because you didn't properly winterize your house.